Okay, we're on a search. We're looking for pussycats. Ah, there's one. Let's zoom in on him. Oh, there's Cosmo. Cosmo, say hello. No, you're not going to talk? Okay. Well, there's one pussycat. He's a very fat kitty. There he is. Okay. I think I spotted the other pussycat. And she seems to be very flatwormed. And she seems to be here on her favorite chair. And there's Lola. Oh, she's yawning. There's Lola Puss. Yes, she's posing. She's looking very, very, very beautiful. Now, there's one other that we need to find, other than the birdies who are asleep, and this is Ivy. And Ivy didn't feel very well today. So there's Ivy girl, and she's snoozing on the couch. Ivy might, no, she won't say hello. But there's Ivy girl. Hi, Ivy girl. Oh, look at you. Okay, that's it. We found all the animals except for the birdies, and they're asleep. Okay. Oh, there's Ivy. Ivy, such a good girl. Okay. Good night.